wish you all well. How you guys doing? And it's your sister Samira Beauty and DIY. Today I'm gonna be doing this beautiful look, this glamour beautiful look. So yeah, welcome. So we're gonna be doing this beautiful look. Stay tuned, keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and comment, so more amazing videos. So okay, let's begin. I did one eye, so I'm gonna be doing the other eye. So what I will do, the first thing, I will start filling in my eyebrow with Kiko light brown eyebrow gel. After filling the eyebrow in, I will try and brush it in together so it will mix and match with the gel. So I think that's okay. It looks lovely, nice. So I'm gonna start putting the concealer. Keep on watching, stay tuned. To the concealer, I'm gonna be using LA Girl, and I'm gonna take some off on my hands. I'm gonna bring the concealer a bit more down on my eyelid. Then I'll put some more up here on the top brow. So I'm gonna take concealer brush, try and blend it in as soon as possible before it gets dry. Okay, I have tried the concealer, so I'm going to start the color now, which I'm going to pick an really dark purple into my crease, and then I'll show you guys. Stay tuned, keep on watching. So I'm going to be using this. Come on. I'm going to pick exactly that color, this one. I'm going to blend it in just softly, and then I'm gonna add the pink color, hot pink. This is how it looks now, and I'm gonna take the pink color, this hot pink, that one, and I'll apply it on the top crease. Keep blending it in together. I'm gonna bring it down up to the eye waterliner down. I'm done now, and I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. Cut my half of crease. I need where the eyeball is, in the middle. Stay tuned, keep on watching. I'm going to cut the crease just where the eyeball is. Done it, and you have to be really slowly. You have to be careful when you're doing this kind of middle cut crease, like half. And I guess I'm nearly there now, so I'm just gonna use my finger to just blend a little bit in the concealer because it's a bit wet right now. Then I'm gonna add the ocean color, the color I'm gonna be using from here, and that's what I'm going to use, the shimmery, like a blue ocean or turquoise. I don't know what they call it, but that's the color I'm going to use. I'm going to add in my eye. It's a bit shimmery. So what I will do, I'm just going to take my finger and like that and go and tap it in. Just like that. Wow. It looks really nice. Really cute. I'm gonna take the brush I've been using the purple earlier. So just I'm going to clear the little bit of the mess of the shimmery. I wanna mix them together so it doesn't look like mess, you know. It looks perfect now, as you can see. It's going really nice. That's it. Mix it a little bit. Just touch, just a little bit touch. It looks beautiful. Hey guys, and I just applied the lashes. I'm sorry, I was rushing. I was supposed to share with you guys, but it's gonna be another time. And yeah, I wear these lashes super long. I love long lashes. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna make a smoky eye down there. I'm gonna use by Chanel eye waterliner. So yeah. Okay, finished with the water liner. So let me just close it down. So I'm going to take this sharp brush and I want to add some of the eyeshadow color. I just have used it there, so stay tuned. That's it. Yes, it looks. I'm just going to clean under the eye with a little bit cleanser with the baby face wipe, just like that. Okay, I'm going to clean the other one. I want it to be really smooth and good size. Yes, I'm gonna brush my top lashes and low lashes. So I'm going to do the same eye, the same thing. Just gonna brush it up with the mascara and the low lashes. Okay, I think they look perfect. They look super hot. They look super nice. I can't wait to finish it. Keep on what? I'm going to use the foundation by Morphe, and I'm gonna mix a little bit Chanel. Okay, stay tuned. The reason why I like the Chanel because it's quite thick, and the Morphe one is quite loose, like you see it's coming out. So I'm gonna mix them together so I can get that perfect. Wow, it looks like exactly my skin tone, you see. Yes. I'm gonna mix it all. First I'll finish it with the brush, foundation brush, and then the end I'm gonna take some beauty blender. I think the foundation is perfect. That's full coverage. Just go slowly around the eye to make it look perfect. Okay, I blended all the foundationers and I think they look super cool. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer under my eye, just to give it that kick, because I need like super coverage under my eye today because I'm going really smoky. So yeah, like this. Sorry, keep dropping stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna take just a little brush, a concealer's brush, and try and tap it in as much as I can before it gets dry. The concealers, they get super dry quickly. So yeah, there, because this brush is the best. It goes all the corners you really need, like that, and then like this. I want to be quick. If I take time, it's gonna dry and it's not gonna look nice as I want it. Okay, so let me blend it in. I'll get back to you guys. I'm done with this brush, so I'm gonna take a little beauty blender just to make sure everything is safe. I think it's perfect. Super cool. Okay, done with the blending. Now I'm gonna go for I'm not gonna use like beauty banana powder because my skin, I don't want to make it too dry. Okay, let me go for the I'm not gonna contour. I'm just gonna use a little bit for the just around my nose area, just a little bit, not too much. Something like that. I'm gonna blend it with my hands, with my fingers, sorry. I blended it with my fingers, they're all down and nice and smooth. Just gonna use a bronzer, okay. I've got the bronzer brush and I'm going to bronze my, I don't want contour today, I'm gonna be bronzing. So see the difference? Nice. Bronzer is done. Super cool. So I'm gonna take a little bit of same color of here. I'm going to apply highlighter. I take those two color, mix it, and there. Okay. Now it's time to highlight. I'm going to highlight, and finally we're nearly there. The highlight I'm gonna be using today is this one, Milk and Honey. It's super nice. They've got all that beautiful colors in there. So I'm gonna take that one. Always before I apply the highlighters, I always spray my face so the highlighter will catch. Really cool. Yeah, super nice. Really confused. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. This one or that one. I think I'm gonna go with this. Yep, that's too bright. I'm gonna go with this. So going to apply the highlighter. Where is the brush? Okay, I'm gonna take it this way, that way. Wow, look at that. Yeah, nice. The same one. It looks really nice. It's a bit enough. Okay, nearly done. Highlight, light. I'm gonna go for the lipstick now. I'm gonna be using lip gloss. Just done my lipstick. It is super nice. I love it. I'm in love with this look. So happy with it. And yeah. And I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you love this look, please let me know on the comment section down below. And if you want me to make more look like this or different or other, and then yeah, let me know. I enjoyed it, and super happy with it. Super perfect, and I hope you enjoyed it the same too. Okay, so now I'm gonna let you guys off, and I'm going off, and see you another day, another video, another brand new day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and let us know your opinion, what you think about this look. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you for other videos. Take care. See you another day. Bye bye. Bye.